Hello, in this lesson, can we learn how to find the perimeter of a parallelogram? And as we said in lesson 1, perimeter is the total distance around a shape. And in our case, the shape is our parallelogram. So, to find the perimeter of this parallelogram, we need to add the length of all sides of the parallelogram. And the perimeter will be given by adding A plus B plus A, then plus B again. And the reason why you see we have two A's is because a parallelogram has two opposite sides which are equal. So this side and this side are equal, this side and this side are equal. So to get the perimeter of this parallelogram, we'll have to do like this. Perimeter is the total distance around the shape, and we know two sides of a parallelogram are equal, so the perimeter will be given by A plus the other A, in this case this A plus this one, then B plus B, then B plus B again, like this. But you see, A plus A is 2A, then B plus B is 2B, like this. So that's why I say the perimeter of a parallelogram is 2A plus 2B. So with that knowledge, can you try to solve a question? And in this question, you are told in question 1, a parallelogram has sides labeled A and B, and then side A is 8 centimeter, and then side B is 5 centimeter. Then find the perimeter. So you are told side A is 8 centimeters, so it means if this side A is 8 centimeters, also this one is 8 centimeters. Then side B is 5 centimeters. This one is also is 5 centimeters because both sides are equal. So to find the perimeter, we need to take 2 into A plus 2 into B. So here, our A, we are given as 8 centimeter. Then our B, we are given as 5 centimeter, like that. So to get the perimeter, P will give 2 into A, which is 8. So that will get the two sides, plus B, which is 5. So 2 into 5, so that will get the two sides. So 2 multiplied by 8 is 16, then plus 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So the perimeter becomes 16 plus 10, which is 26 centimeters. And that becomes the perimeter of this parallelogram. Can we try another example? Here you are told in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So meaning this side and this one are equal, this side and this one are equal. Then you are told if the sides are given using algebra, the perimeter is found by adding all sides. Yes, now we know that. Can we try an example? You are told a parallelogram has sides labeled as A and B, then A is x plus 2, then B is 3x minus 1. Then you are told to find an expression for the perimeter in terms of x. But from our previous example, we know the perimeter of a parallelogram is given by 2 into A plus 2 into B, because two pairs are equal in a parallelogram. So in this case, this side and this are equal, this one and this one are equal. And then we are given A is x plus 2. So we already know A is x plus 2. Then we know B is equals to 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1, or in centimeters. So to get the perimeter here, P will say is equals to 2 into A, because we know A is x plus 2, like this, then plus B, 2 into B, but we know B is 3x minus 1, like this. So we need to open the brackets first, and to open the brackets here, we need to take all the values inside the brackets. We multiply by these 2, so it becomes 2 multiplied by x, which is 2x, then 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. So plus 4, then plus these 2 we multiply by all values inside this bracket, so it will be 2 multiplied by 3x, which will be 6x, then minus 2 multiplied by -1, of course it will be -2, like that. So the reason I put minus here is because positive multiplied by negative is negative. So from there, we can combine the like terms together, and it will be 2x plus 6x plus 4x plus 4. 4 has no x. Then plus or minus these 2. So it will be 2x plus 6x, which is 8x, plus 4 minus 2 is 2. And that becomes the perimeter of this parallelogram, because we are told to find an expression in terms of x for the perimeter of that parallelogram. Well, let's try another example here. Sometimes you can be given the whole perimeter, like in this case, the perimeter of a parallelogram is 36 centimeters. Then one side is 11 centimeter. Then you are told to find the length of the other side. So here you are given the total perimeter. Then you are only given one side. At this one side, we can say it's just A. Then you are told to find the length of the other side. The first thing we will know the formula for getting perimeter of a parallelogram. And we said it's given by P is equals to 2 into A plus 2 into B, because 2 pairs are equal. Like for example here, this side and this one are equal, this one and this one are equal. But we are given one side, so we can say that one side is A. So we can say it's 11, but then we are told to find B. So to do so, we also given the perimeter itself, which is at 6 centimeters. So to find B, which is the missing side, it will be 36, which is now the perimeter, is equals to 2 into A, but we already know A is 11. So that now we get the two sides combined, plus 2 into B, because we don't know B. We are not given is the one we are finding. So from there, we'll say that 6 is equals to 2 multiplied by 11, which is 22, then plus 2 multiplied by B, which is 2B. So from there, we can take this 22 on the other side, and it becomes that 6 minus 22 is equals to 2B, like this. And then 36 minus 22 is 14. So it will be 14 is equals to 2B. So to get B, we need to divide by 2 on both the sides, which is 2 here and then 2 there. So it will be 14 divided by 2 is 7 is equals to 2B divided by 2, it will be B. So the missing side B will be 7 centimeters. That's how we find perimeter, the missing side, when we are given the perimeter, the total perimeter, and then we are given one side. So if you take this side is 7, this one is also 7, so it will be 7 plus 7, which is 14. Then this one is 11, so 11 plus 11, which is 22. 22 plus 14 is 36. So that's how we find the perimeter of a parallelogram. And if you have any question, if there is a place you did not understand, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll try to answer to my level best. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next lesson.